It's eating a blackbird. Can barely see it under there. Plucking all of the feathers out.
It's gone.
Is it? Did it fly away?
Yeah.
No, it took it. It just plucked some feathers and flew off with it.
Plucked it and flew off.
It was a blackbird. It was probably one of the blackbirds that live in the front of the bush. I just heard the massive bang on the window. Oh yeah, better pick them over the way. Yeah, Kira will eat them. I looked out the window and the whatever it was, the falcon or whatever it was just stood right here with the blackbird inside its claws. It's just there with the bird in its claws. Right, flew off over there.